Hi there, back again. So I'm here to reveal the remaining doors of the Advent calendar. So my first video, if you see part 1, I opened the first 12 doors, and now I'm going to open the remaining doors. This is the, I'll show you at the front. This is the 2021 25 Beauty Surprises Shoppers Drug Mart Beauty Advent calendar. And in my first video, I mentioned this already, but I'll mention it again. So this cost $95 Canadian. It wasn't cheap, but I used my Optimum points during Black Friday. They had a special on. So when you redeem 70,000 points, which is equal to $70, they give you $30. So I had $100. So basically covered the cost of this. Okay, so we are on door 13. Oh, and I just ripped off the first 12 doors, so it'd just be easier to see where the remaining doors are. So door 13. Okay. Ugh. This one is very difficult to get out. Funny because in my first video also I mentioned that in the reviews on this calendar people were complaining that all the products were falling out of their doors into the bottom, and luckily for us and for me I haven't had that issue, but I think maybe they changed it. And they made it harder to get it, but okay, I got it. So this is I'm not sure the brand, made in Germany. It is Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. So it looks like a eye crayon. It's a little hard to get open. I can't really get it open right now, but assuming this is the color. Kind of like a coppery gold color, which is something that I like. I do like shimmer. So, oh, I think I got it. We'll just check it out. This one's very difficult. Okay, it looks like the brand is Nude Sticks. Nude STIX, so nude sticks. Okay. And there she is, yeah. Just like I said. Oh, it's a very pretty color. Yeah, it's like a pinky, rose gold, kind of coppery color for your eyes. Nice. And it's a shimmer. Okay. So that was 13. We're going to look for 14. Okay, we have Kors Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser. So this has pre and probiotics in it, and it looks Greek, very Greek because it has Greek writing on it. Yeah, so that'll be nice. And it looks like it is made in Greece. Yes, made in Greece. It smells nice. It has a foil over the top, but yeah, that should be interesting. So 15. Okay, we have Estee Lauder. We have Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovering Complex. For all skin types, it's like a night cream, night recovery cream. Need all the help we can get with our skin these days. So just a little one like that. Okay, so that's 15. 16, we are looking at over here. Okay, looks like another cream. I can't get it out. Okay. It looks like it's called It Confidence in a Cream for all skin types. Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. Anti-aging armor. Nice little pod like that. Oops. There we go. Okay. Okay, so we're on to 17. It looks like it might be some kind of eye mask or facial mask. Let's see. So these Lauder Patch Lift Contour, yeah, which means eyes in French. So yes, lift eye patch. So it's for instant smoothing, hydration, and radiance effect. Younger looking eye contour. That'll be good, like I said before, for those under eye bags, you know. Very nice. Okay, so we're on to 18. So over here. So we have a Nars Climax Extreme Mascara. So mascara. I do use a lot of mascara, so that will be great because I am running out. So that was number 18. So we're on to 19. And hopefully this is not bad luck, me opening these ahead of time. Okay, so we have Pure Get a Lift Firming Facial Cream. I feel like there's like a trend going through it. There's a lot of firming and trying to look younger, Revitalift, you know, facial creams. So yes, try to get our skin younger and healthy. So we are on to number 20. And it looks like another moisturizer. Okay, so Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. And so it says philosophy, purity is finding balance and embracing our true selves. Ultralight moisturizer. Very nice. Okay. So apparently in 3 days, you'll see makeup optimal skin. Skin looks glowing, dewy, and smooth with less visible pores. And they did a 1-week self-assessment study with 96 women aged 18 to 35. So they came with that conclusion. Purity. Okay, I think we're on 21, which is right here. It's very skinny. What do we have? Stila. So we have Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Very fine tip. Very nice. Okay. Always use eyeliner. And that was 21. So we're on to 22. It's hard to see where you... I think it's here. Oh, okay. 22. Another hard one. Okay. So we have Biotherm. Life Plankton Elixir. Fundamental Regenerating Treatment. So, yeah. Definitely, I definitely want to try all these different products. So this is kind of like a nice way to do it if you don't want to buy like a huge, you know, bottle of the product or spend all the money on one thing. You can try out all these different things and see what you like and see what works for your skin. So all the different skin types, and everything is different on everybody. So this is a nice way to do it. Okay, so we're on to 23, which is up here. Ooh, what do we have here? Okay, so we have retinol, oh, and sorry, this is Elizabeth Arden, retinol ceramide capsules, line erasing night serum. And The little jar looks like this. Let's see, it comes with 7 or 8, looks like 7 capsules. So it looks like a week's worth of the Ceramide capsule for each night, and yeah, that'll be interesting to try. Elizabeth Arden. Okay, so that's 23. We've got 2 more to go, so 24. What do we have? Shiseido, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. It is the Bio Performance Glow Revival Cream. It's a light pink cream. It looks very nice. Definitely have very moisturized skin this year. Okay, and we're on to our last day here, 25. What do we have? Viva la Juicy. Okay. So, Juicy Couture Eau de Parfum Roller Ball. Sorry. Let's see. Ooh, nice packaging. I like it. Smells very nice. I can't tell perfume smells like. This smells like, you know, flowers and rose water and all that. But yeah, it does have a floral scent. It's very nice. Yeah, I'm looking forward to using that. I'll smell nice and I'll have hopefully very nice, moisturized, smooth skin this year. So that is it for our Shoppers 2021 Beauty Advent Calendar. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've, gone and look at some of the products that are here, and maybe you'll try some yourself. Okay, take care. See you again.